Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to protect your crypto from Discord phishing scams. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Discord scams are everywhere, especially in crypto servers. The first thing you should do is to never trust DMs from mods or admins. Real mods will never message you first. If someone says you won a giveaway or need to verify your wallet, it's 100% fake. Ignore and block them. Second, be careful with what you click. Phishing links often look real but lead to fake sites that drain your wallet. Always double check the URL and never connect your wallet just because a link told you to. Next, use server permissions wisely. If you run a server, don't give random bots full admin access and don't accept roles that give unknown permissions. They can be abused. Finally, turn on two-factor authentication for your Discord account. And if your wallet is connected to Discord through Call-Up Land or other bots, make sure it's secured with a strong password and hardware wallet when possible. You should always stay alert. One click can cost you everything. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.